Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is part 2 to my wash day video. So this is the styling part of the video. I will be doing some flat twists, so I'm going to do like a twist and curl. I have already done the back, and if you've ever seen any of my twist out videos, then you already know I don't care if the part is perfect or not, or if it's perfect. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect because you're gonna unravel and you're going to fluff and do all that stuff anyway, and you don't want any parts, so I don't worry about that. And I'm going to show you the top. I'm going to show you really quickly how I am going to part the top, because I like for my hair, I like to be able to switch it either from the left or the right side, and I found the way to do that by parting my hair a certain way when I'm doing a flat twist. And the products that I will be using today is, of course, for my styler, Eco Styler Gel, and I will also be using this the Bodyworks Natural Curl Defining Cream. And you guys know that I did a haul video on the products that I picked up from Bodyworks, and this is my first time trying this curl defining cream. It has a very thick consistency, and I got hair in it already, y'all, don't mind that, but it has a very thick and creamy consistency. A little goes a long way. You don't need a lot at all, so yeah, just gonna rub that in. Not wasting no product, honey. But yeah, so let me show you guys quickly how I'm going to part my hair. I am going to start down the middle. And again, the part doesn't have to be perfect. I'm not going for perfect. I'm just going for the actual style. So I'm going to start on this side over here. So I'm going to clip this away. And since it's not much, I'm going to go ahead and apply some of that curling cream on my hair. And my hair is already super soft from all the deep conditioning and texture treatments and everything that I did. Again, if you haven't seen part 1 of this video, definitely check out part 1 so you can see everything I did to my hair to get it back in curly shape. And what I'm going to do is start from that middle part and go diagonal. And just part it diagonally. And again, the parts don't have to be perfect, so I am going to clip this out of the way. And my hair is a little dry just because I've been running around the house doing things, so I'm gonna spray just the light mist of water and probably a little bit more cream. And then I'm going to apply my Eco Styler Gel. And yes, I'm heavy-handed with my Eco Styler Gel because I want my style to last. And I'm just going to go ahead and start flat twisting, and I am going down, so I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm going in a down direction with my flat twist. And that's the flat twist. That's the first one on the top. And you guys, I'm going to do the same thing for the rest of this side. What I'm going to do as far as the part is I'm going to part this straight down like this. So it's going to break it into 2 for me. If I can get it. There you go. So I'm going to do 1 flat twist here, and then I'm going to do 1 flat twist here. and I'll come back and show you guys what the finished product looks like. Okay guys, so I'm finally finished, and this is the finished product here. I have everything all twisted up. I'm just going to let it air dry completely, and I will take it down and unravel it tomorrow. When I show you guys the takedown, you'll see why I did the diagonal parts, so that it will allow me to flip my hair either way, whichever way I want to wear it, or completely back and not so much in my face all the time. Because when I'm at work, sometimes I don't like my hair like all in my face all the time. So this allows me to be able to wear it to either side and back. Okay y'all, so it is time for the takedown. My hair is 100% dry, and I am about to start off with taking these rods loose. Y'all see this? Like, do y'all see this? Mind you, I have not fluffed anything, okay? I literally just took the I barely was able to take the last one loose because I'm so excited, because first of all, did y'all see that body? That body, you know what I'm saying? Child, do y'all see these curls though? Like, moment of silence for the curls. Yes, Lord. Yes, God. This twist out did not come to play with you, me, or nobody else, okay? Like, what frizz? Where? Curls? Hey, girl? Like, what? Okay, let me stop being excited. Y'all gonna have to excuse me for being extra for about 5 seconds, because this is about one of the best twist outs I have ever had, okay? Ever had. My hair is soft, moisturized, shiny. I don't, and I haven't fluffed or picked or nothing. Child, what? And I got a middle part going on. Y'all know I don't do middle parts. But speaking about middle parts, this is the reason that I twisted my hair the way that I did. The first part to this video, I told you guys that I purposely, when I do a flat twist, I do it diagonal, and this is why. So I'm able to wear this style in a middle part, as you can see, or I can flip it. Let me find me a part. It just makes it easier to maneuver. So I can flip it. I need to pick it out a little bit, but I can flip it over to this side and make a side part. Okay, get the point? Or I can flip it over this way. Flip it, flip it. Flip it, flip it. Okay, come on. But anyway, once I go ahead and pick it out, it still got the parts in it, but I can flip it over this way and wear it on this side as well. So, or I could just push it all back and do no part. You know what I mean? So it gives me options on how I can wear my hair. But today, honey, I think I'm feeling this middle part. She's gonna be a middle part girl today, because she's never a middle part girl, and I can't keep my hands out of my hair because it's soft, and I should before I mess it up. I might lay my edges a little bit, y'all, but not really, because I'm good. Like, I'm Gucci, you know what I mean? All right, yes, yes. So, okay, if you don't know about now, I love my hair. I love it. It came out great. And I don't know what else to say, y'all. Like, look at the definition. Like, it's so defined and fluffy and I'm about to be doing twist outs, y'all. I'm about to be doing twist outs. So all I have to say is thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed part 1 and part 2 of this video. Give me a thumbs up if you guys are excited about this first twist out of 2018. It's all the way popping and I'm not mad at it. And you guys, I will talk to you guys in the next video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.